Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku, second puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper of Monday, December the 27th, 2021. We have no additional, no extra Sudokus in today's newspaper, but in the newspaper of last week, yes, last week, December the 20th, 2021. Yeah, we have two puzzles left. The first one I have solved. Two puzzles are left: the two stars and the tectonic with one star. All right. So it's time for the two stars puzzle. Two stars Sudoku. The number 3891. And before I start, I always count a printed digit. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? And for two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, we will see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number can I pick. 3, 6, 8. Yeah. We have a 3 in this row, third row. 3 in the second row, so on the first row. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Okay. Oh, alright. Now I cannot continue with the 3. Well. Uh, we have 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes here. 3, no 3 in those two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in one of those two boxes in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. Alright. Then we have two numbers left in the middle column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Okay. 5 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. We see another 8 in this second column, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. And now I cannot continue with 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7. We see a 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and a 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this big square. So no 4 and a 9 in this box. The 4 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Let me mark those two boxes for the 9. That means 1 box left in this row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Alright. The 2 is missing. 5, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Alright. How about 1, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. We have a 2 there in the second row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. And we have a pair. Yeah, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 1. We have an 8 and a 1 in this column, so no 8 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 and a 1 in this row, so no 8 and a 1 in those 2 boxes. The 8 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 8 and a 1. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. No, 1. The 2 is missing, 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 4. Okay, we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Okay. Alright. Yeah. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row be 3 in the second row. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Cannot continue with the 5. 2, 2. I'm thinking. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 in this row, third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, 7 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 in this row, first row. 9 in the second row, from the third row. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Okay, now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 4. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and a 6. That means 1 box left in the second row for the number 1, 2, the 3, the 4, 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. Still, I cannot use the 8. How about 2 and 7, yeah, 2 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Okay. So we have a 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. 2 in this last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Oh, wait. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6. Well, cannot fill this yet. Same for here. 6 and 1, 6 and 1. No. Let me see. How about this 1 missing number in the first column? 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Okay. 6, 6. Okay. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this row. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 5. All right. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing. 1, 8, 6, 1, 8, 6, 1, 8, 6. And look, we have a 1 and an 8 in this column. So no 1 and 8 in this box. The 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 6. Alright. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Okay, so 2 boxes left, the 6 and the 1 in this big square. How about these 2, 7 and a 4? 7 and the 4, we have a 7 now. No 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Okay, so 2 numbers left, the 8 and 1. 8 and 1. We have an 8 here in this column. So no 8 in this box. The 8 should be in that box. And the 1 goes in this box. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 6. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 4. Finish in 40 minutes. Wow, I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, this is really of 2 stars? No, let me give this a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle in this additional of a week ago. Tectonic with 1 star. Alright, so see you later. Bye bye for now.